Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pam, and in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I turned from this to this real quick. So if you like to see how I achieve this look in no particular order, stay tuned and keep watching. You guys, I already moisturized my face using my normal moisturizer, and I received this product complimentary by MDSolarSciences. It's their mineral SPF cream, and this is my first time using it, and I'm just showing you guys the packaging and how it looks, and I am just gonna show you guys the real thing that's inside. So you guys, this mineral sunscreen has SPF 50, and I just love the fact that it is water resistant. I mean, that is so perfect for summer weather, and you know, I mean, it's summer, we have to apply sunscreen. And I also love the fact that it has antioxidants. So they have vitamin C, they have green tea, they have pomegranate and cranberry. Those are perfect for younger looking skin according to my research. So I just applied that on my skin, as you can see, and yeah. All right, you guys, so this is a moment of truth. So for my skin type, I got a white cast. I don't know about other skin types or other skin conditions, but I got a white cast on my skin. I actually knew that it was gonna be there, and I mean, yeah, most sunscreens have a white cast and all except one that I know of. So I just continued applying it, trying to rub it in so that it maybe absorbs into the skin, but literally still had a white cast. That's okay. Let's just continue with our makeup application. So after this, I'm just gonna use a primer. All right, you guys, so for my primer, I'm gonna be using this primer from Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. I absolutely love this primer for summer. It just does it gives what it's supposed to give, you know what I mean? So I just apply that on top of the sunscreen. And you guys, I forgot to mention, I went off camera to fix my eyebrows, and you guys can see that I have my lashes on. So let me tell you a little story. I didn't plan to do any videos, I didn't plan to do anything. I was actually trying to see how eyelashes can look on my face without makeup. So I feel like I look fine, but then I still need makeup to apply eyelashes. I see other girls looking so cute with just eyelashes. I was like, you know what? Let me try, but I feel like you guys be the judge. You guys be the judge. Anyway, so for my foundation, I use my over-the-counter Maybelline foundation. It's the Fit Me foundation in the color truffle. So I just apply that like 2-3 pumps and just start dabbing it on my face. And the brush that I am using, it's from Jessica Simpson's. I think I got it from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, I don't remember, but yeah, that's just what I am using. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dab it on my face until I am happy with the coverage. Alright, you guys, so for my concealer, I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, just putting it on the corner of my eye and the other side as well. And I'm just gonna apply it on the higher places of my face, I think. So just applying it over there and not using too much, because I feel like you don't have to unless you have to, you know what I mean? But I am also applying that on my nose and over there. I don't know what that place is called. And also on my chin and a little bit on my forehead. So I'm just gonna apply that and get into just, you know, blending it in. So to blend my concealer, I'm gonna use my beauty blender. I literally got this from Amazon. I got like 5 in a pack, and for some reason I keep using the black one. So yeah, I literally had to put a little water, like make it to be damp a little bit so that I can be able to blend properly. I just love LA Girl Pro Concealer when it comes to over the counter concealer. It's still an OG goodie. It's an oldie body goodie which I'm still using up to now. So yeah, I'm just just blending everything up. Okay, so for some baking kind of situation, I'm gonna use this Airspan loose face powder. It's literally like $6, I think. So I just apply that on the places where I applied the concealer, but what I do is I actually just press it, like literally just press it onto my skin so that it's not baking, but it will just give me the coverage that I want. So as you keep watching, you understand what I mean. Like I just press it, like press 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 press. So to kind of like give me a lift on my face, I use this True Color contour palette and just apply it like over there to just try to lift my face a little bit. As you keep watching, you understand what I mean, because it gives, you know what I mean, it gives. So yeah, I just apply this over there and just press press press, keep pressing. So for my eyes, just to give my eyes a little a little look, I applied this is actually this is not a palette for eyes. This is like some bronzer and some highlighter, but I just took just a little bit. It has a shimmer to it. I just took a little bit and applied it over there. It's not too bright. I just like it. It gave me like a little shimmer. So I added a little more, like the contour over there from the same True Complexion contour palette. Just just a little bit. It still gave me what I was looking for. So yeah. So for my setting spray, I use the NYX matte setting spray. Like you can see, I do that way too much sometimes, but yeah, after that I just go ahead and take the same beauty blender and just kind of dab my face so that the setting spray can rest. And also, I think I read somewhere that you can take a paper towel and press it on your face and then dab it. I feel like that also works. I've tried it before. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix my hair. So you guys, I already reviewed this hair I am wearing. It's from Love Me Hair, and I am in love. Like I always wear this hair. I love it. I love it. It's easy to manage and it's just amazing hair. Easy for me to just put on and boom, we at the door. So I just apply a little water to that hair and fix up here and there, and I'm just gonna show you guys the final look. Oh wait, I added a little shimmer to my eyes, like on the corners over there. I added a little shimmer to my eyes. I kind of like it. I like it when I do that. I feel like it gives me more look, like brings out my eyes more. Anyways, this is the final look, guys. I just love how I turned from this to that real quick. Like, it's so amazing what makeup can do. It's so amazing. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll leave the sunscreen link in the description box down below. Make sure you check it out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.